Hi, welcome to my channel. Here in this video you will find 5 different languages of script. First language is Telugu. First letter is A. Second it is A, I, E, U, U. In the same way Hindi also same pronunciation. A. First letter is A. Third is I, E, U. Ooh. In the same way, Malayalam, first letter is A. First letter is A. I, E, U, U. In the same way, Malayalam also, first letter is A. Second letter is A, I, E, U, U. But in Arabic, letters are different when compared to other 4 languages. First letter is Alif, and second is B, third is Ta, and fourth is Tha, and next is Jim, next Ha, and next is Kha. So keep practicing these letters of each language letters. Minimum you write 20 times or more than that. And this is our first day 1 class video. If you go through this video daily, you will definitely able to read 5 languages at the same time, and our video will be in English. That may help other non-languages also, those who don't know other languages, Tamil or Telugu. So it may help in English. So keep watching this video, and please do subscribe my channel and share. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.